I am Sraboni. My country is Bangladesh. Now I'll cook this popular chicken and prawn thick soup of our country. This is very popular. Hopefully you like it. To make the soup, I need 1 cup boneless chicken, 8 to 10 pieces prawn, half cup mushroom, 5 egg yolks, half teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 2 stick lemongrass and lemon peel, 5 to 7 pieces ginger, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoon salt, a little bit food color, 3 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper. First I will marinate the chicken and shrimp with paprika and lemon juice. Some little bit salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, then I will beat egg yolks very well. Half teaspoon garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, mix very well. Then I will add 5 cups water. Again mix very well. Then I will add lemongrass and lemon peel, ginger, green chili, two tablespoon tomato ketchup, one tablespoon chili sauce, okay. Now turn on the stove. Now turn on the stove and keep stirring on medium heat. When it gets lightly hot, I will add chicken, shrimp, mushroom. Now we are mixing corn flour and water. Okay, it's ready to eat.
How? How?